you can only learn from it. Like, I know from some of the feedback that I got when I'm shooting since then, I'm like, oh, I remember they said this, so maybe I should try something else. So it sits in the back of your head, even though it may sting at first, it sits there. So next time you go to do something, it's definitely there, kind of being like, change it up, do something different. So it definitely taught me to look at things more outside the box, maybe from the viewpoint of somebody else and how they're perceiving that image. That my images are not going to be for everyone, or my pose or whatever is not going to be everybody's style, and that's okay. One of the reasons is, getting that good feeling like everything's paying off, you're working hard, you're doing something right, it's that acknowledgement for sure. One of the other top reasons was setting myself apart from other people in my area. If somebody refers my name in a group, I can pop in there and say, accredited newborn photographer, specializing in newborns, safety certified, all that kind of stuff. I feel like that's one thing that definitely sets me apart from other people, and I definitely gained tons of clients from that.